Dear students, we are going to understand the types of matrix. Here first type of matrix is row matrix. A matrix having only one row is called row matrix. Example, D is equal to matrix having element 2, minus 1 and 7 is a matrix of order 1 by 3. Column matrix. A matrix having only one column is called column matrix. Example, E is equal to matrix having element 1 and 0 is a matrix of order 2 by 1. Square matrix. A matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns is called square matrix. Example, F is equal to matrix having element 1, 3, 0 and 2 is a matrix of order 2. Rectangular matrix. A matrix in which number of rows is not equal to number of columns is called rectangular matrix. G is equal to matrix having element 1, minus 3, 0, 2, 3 and 2 is a matrix of order 2 by 3. Null or zero matrix. A matrix in which every element is 0 is called zero or null matrix. It is denoted by O. Example, O is equal to matrix having element 0, 0. 0 and 0 is a matrix of order 2. Diagonal matrix. A square matrix is called a diagonal matrix if all the elements except those in the matrix principal diagonal are 0. D is equal to matrix having element 3, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0 and 4 is a matrix of order 3. Here principal diagonal elements are 3, 2 and 4. Identity matrix. A square matrix in which every diagonal element is 1 and every non-diagonal element is 0 is called an identity matrix or a unit matrix. It is denoted by I. I is equal to matrix having element 1, 0, 0 and 1. Scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix is called a scalar matrix if all the diagonal elements are same but not equal to 1 or 0. Example, M is equal to matrix having element 2, 0, 0 and 2. Another example, N is equal to matrix having element 2, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0 and 5. Exercise here first question is, from the following matrices identify unit matrices, row matrices, column matrices and null matrices. Here matrices A, B, C, D, E and F are given. First A. In A is equal to matrix having all elements 0. So it is called null matrix. B is equal to matrix having element 2, 3, 4. Only one row is called row matrix. C is equal to matrix having element 4, 0, 6. Having only one column is called column matrix. D is equal to matrix having element 1, 0, 0, 1. On the diagonal, element are 1 and 1, so it is unit matrix. E is equal to matrix having element 0 is called null matrix. F is equal to 5, 6, 7. So only one column is called column matrix. Students, please solve the next question.